Unboxing video of Fiido e-Gravel. Unboxing and taking out the bike parts. Check if all the parts are complete. Handlebar installation. Place the handlebar in the handlebar position and pre-lock the stem cap first. Adjust the handlebar direction so that the brake lever and horizontal direction form a 15-25-degree angle. Use an inner hexagon tool to tighten the stem cap screws in turn. Front wheel installation. Remove the plastic pad on the front brake caliper. Ensure that NO metal ring is present inside the front wheel protector before installing the front wheel. Align the front wheel disc with the brake caliper and insert it into the front fork. Then install the skewer and use an inner hexagon tool to tighten it. Display installation. Place the display in the handlebar groove and tighten it with a 2.5 mm wrench. Connect the display cable to the reserved line at the bike front, and make sure the arrow is aligned to insert it. Front light installation. Align the front light bracket with the reserved hole below the handlebar and lock the front light with a 2.5 mm wrench. Adjust the angle of the front light and front reflector, and lock the angle screw of the front light with a screwdriver. Plug the front light plug into the interface with the same color on the display. Note, there is an arrow on the front light plug. It needs to be facing the direction of the head tube to be inserted into the interface. Portable multifunction adjustment line installation. Plug the switch plug into the interface with the same color on the display. Note, there is an arrow on the switch plug. It needs to be facing the direction of the head tube to be inserted into the interface. Saddle and pedals installation. Take out the seat post, insert it into the seat tube, adjust the height according to personal use, and lock the seat post. Take out the pedals, and the R mark on the pedal is the right pedal, and the L mark is the left pedal. Install the R pedal on the right crank, and rotate it forward to tighten. Install the L pedal on the left crank and rotate it forward to tighten. First time use. Press the silver button of the top tube to start the bike. Then press and hold power button for 3 seconds to power on the display. Short press the M button on the display to switch between interfaces. Long press the M button on the display to turn the front light on/off. Short press the button on the display to adjust the power assist level. The 0 gear means disable the power assist mode but manual mode, and the horn and headlights can still be used normally. Long press the button on the display to switch the speed unit to km/mph. Press the button on the left handle to adjust the power assist level. The M button on the left handle is the electronic horn button. How to shift gears. Push the gear shifter on the right handlebar. The large lever is for downshifting, and the small lever is for upshifting. How to charge. Open the plastic cover of the charging port above the 5-way button. Note that the charger has a polarity protection device to prevent incorrect insertion. Align the adapter line with the polarity protection device on the bike charging port. Connect the charger to the power source for charging. The red light indicates that it is charging, and the green light indicates that it is fully charged. Hold the polarity protection device on the charging port and rotate counterclockwise 15 degrees to remove the charging cord. Then cover the charging port with the dust cover.